This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to send a newsletter in Brevo. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, sending newsletters is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and keep them informed. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to send your newsletter with confidence. First, you'll need to visit brevo.com. It's the starting point for everything we're going to do today. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one before proceeding. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the marketing section. You can usually find this option in the main menu or dashboard. Clicking on marketing will take you to a place where you can manage all your campaigns and communications. Next, look for the campaigns option. This is where all your past and current campaigns are stored. By clicking on campaigns, you'll be directed to a page where you can see an overview of your existing campaigns and create new ones. Now, you'll need to select the newsletter you want to work on. If you haven't created one yet, you might have an option to start a new campaign. Once you've found the newsletter you want to edit, click on the edit icon. This will open up the newsletter editor and allow you to make any necessary changes. In the newsletter editor, you'll have a few key tasks to complete. First, add the sender information. This is the name or email address that your recipients will see when they receive your newsletter. It's important to ensure this information is correct and recognizable to your audience. Next, select your recipient list. You'll want to choose the group of people who will receive your newsletter. After that, enter a compelling subject line. A good subject line can significantly increase your open rates, so make it catchy and relevant. Once that's done, you can start designing your newsletter. Use the tools provided to add images, text, and links that will make your content engaging and visually appealing. After designing your newsletter, it's time to schedule it. Click on the Schedule button to decide when your newsletter will be sent out. You can choose to send it immediately or set a specific date and time for delivery. Scheduling is a great way to ensure your newsletter reaches your audience at the optimal time. If you've chosen to send your newsletter immediately, you'll need to select the Send Now option. This confirms that you're ready to dispatch your newsletter to your recipient list right away. Finally, click Send Now to finalize the process. Your newsletter is on its way and will soon arrive in the inboxes of your selected recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a newsletter using Brevo. Following these steps ensures a smooth process from start to finish, allowing you to communicate effectively with your audience. If you encounter any issues, Brevo's support resources are a great place to find additional help. Happy emailing, and I hope your newsletters reach and resonate with your audience.